Well, Christ all fucking mighty, here we are again. I'm on top of my fridge. I got this. I was gonna get Chinese. Oh, I forgot I got a drink. Oh, this is avocado smoothie. Oh, delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so delicious. Oh my god. I'm about to have a Vietnamese slut feeding. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh, fuck me. Salad rolls. Oh, I love it when they don't cut them. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Holy shit. Get all these chopsticks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love this place. Oh god, that looks delicious. Oh my god. I just can't get over the spring rolls. Oh. Oh god. That is better than life. Oh my god. Oh, this looks sensational. Oh. Get in there. This always was my favorite dish, the bun. Don't get me wrong. I do love a good pho, and I can't wait to go to Vietnam. I had my visa. Sorry guys, I'm using my hands, but whatever. I had my visa to go there, but sadly I did not end up there. Wasn't meant to be, you know? Oh. Now I was hoping they were going to cut one of these up, this side of it, so I'll just do it with my hands. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Mix this up, baby. Oh, can't wait to travel again. It's something so far beyond my mind. I just hope it. I just hope that I can still keep my dreams alive. Because I want to go explore. I want to live a different life. This life here is boring. The grass is always greener, as they say, and it's true. The thing is as a solo traveler, I'm not as good. When I traveled with my friend, I was more inclined to do more activities. But I stayed in Bali, Kuta for 3 weeks. I think I was overwhelmed. I was scared. I didn't know what to do. I just kind of froze instead of, I could have taken the opportunity and I could have, went to other parts of Bali, which I would have loved. But I didn't do it, did I? I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, fuck. This place does not disappoint. This is not a great. Usually I did prepare a bowl, but it's so funny. In a bowl, you can mix it better. Oh my God, I'm full. Oh, fuck. Oh. Man, Mm. Mm. These spring rolls are good. Mm-hmm. Oh. Hmm. Okay, guys, I'm starting to get into a lot of noodles here. Mm. Mm. Eat too fast. Oh, eat way too fast. Nobody's supposed to eat that fast. Slow down, mama. This is an old favorite place of mine. So, I have nothing bad to say. The flavor profiles are there. Mm. 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 Oh. Now, usually I would have my own sriracha because I like to add 99 sriracha sauce. Oh my god. No. Oh. The only spring roll one is left. Is the one that I chopped up. Mm. I am a spring roll slut. But the best spring roll is the Vietnamese spring roll. I don't know what it is. Others can try to come close. But the Vietnamese one, I don't know what it is. Mm. Mm. Oh, I'm so full, and I keep going. Oh, it's so fresh. Mm. There's a lever here. Oh, I can't reach it. There it went down a few pegs. Oh, guys, I'm full. And I'm eating on top of my fridge. This was fucking delicious. Oh. I need more spicy. Mm. Maybe sometime I'll have like a spring roll slut feeding. Or I ordered spring rolls from 2 different places, and I have a spring roll feeding slut, like a slut feeding. Oh, I do love a good slut feeding of spring rolls. Well, guys, we're beyond the fridge here. I'm full as fuck. So I'm gonna call it quits. We're 16 minutes into this video. We'll catch you on the next one. As you all know, keep a cool tool and don't let anything loaf on you.